Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the swivel fold. Begin with a square sheet and fold in half diagonally. Now unfold and fold the bottom edge towards the diagonal crease as you would with a kite base. Fold the bottom to an arbitrary point somewhere around the midpoint. Make a nice solid crease and unfold. Next, we are going to fold the left side so that it intersects with the horizontal crease we have just created. Flatten and unfold. We go back to our previous fold. Notice how it has a top layer and a bottom layer. If we open it up and look at this crease right here, we want to only fold this crease. So it looks something like this. We flatten everything. And we have this flap over here. We can squish this flap in either direction, and it is our swivel fold. Swivel, swivel, swivel. Thanks for watching, guys.